world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and a deep connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating world, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Suzuki TU250X, celebrated for its affordability, classic design, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as a remarkable choice for those seeking an authentic two-wheeled experience on a budget. With its accessible power, timeless aesthetics, and rider-centric attributes, the TU250X provides an ideal platform for beginners to begin their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without breaking the bank. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Suzuki TU250X lies a modest 249cc single-cylinder engine that offers accessible power and a smooth performance. This engine allows beginners to experience the joy of riding without putting a strain on their budget. Classic design and timeless aesthetics. The TU250X boasts a classic design that harks back to the golden age of motorcycling. Its timeless lines, chrome accents, and retro styling elements embody a blend of nostalgia and simplicity that resonates with riders seeking a pure and classic riding experience. Novice riders not only embrace the joy of riding but also connect with the TU250X's vintage charm. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. The TU250X is thoughtfully designed for rider comfort. It offers an upright and neutral riding position that ensures comfort during both short commutes and extended journeys. The well-positioned handlebars, comfortable seat, and minimalistic instrument panel contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and effortless maneuverability. The Suzuki TU250X is celebrated for its responsive handling and effortless maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, winding roads, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a priority for beginner riders, and the TU250X often comes equipped with features like a front disc brake for reliable stopping power. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they develop their riding skills. Urban commutes and beyond. The TU250X's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can effortlessly transition between urban adventures and longer rides, all while enjoying the motorcycle's classic and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Suzuki brand create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novice riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the TU250X's classic attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki TU250X encourages skill development as novice riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The TU250X isn't just an affordable starting point, it's a faithful companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, minimal maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the TU250X for years to come. Conclusion. The Suzuki TU250X exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to providing an affordable and genuine introduction to the world of motorcycling for novice riders. With its accessible performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the TU250X offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without stretching one's budget. By choosing a Suzuki TU250X as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for nostalgia, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.